Delicious pie with amazing filling of spinach, ricotta, parmesan in a flaky crust. The beautiful surprise is the egg hidden inside the pie. This spinach ricotta pie, or also known as Pasqualina or torta Pasqualina, is Marco's family's recipe. Well, it's originally from Italy, and because of the immigration to Argentina, this recipe has been adapted to Argentine style. Keep on watching and I'll show you how to make this delicious pie. It's packed with veggies, protein, you should try it. Delicious. We are going to use 1 pound of spinach. It's a lot, I know. Spinach releases lots of water and we don't want that in our pie. So we're going to microwave them for 3 to 4 minutes until they are wilted. I do this in 2 batches. This is how they're supposed to look like coming out from the microwave. Leave them to cool for 3 minutes and then drain them very well. After that, just chop them into smaller pieces. I'm gonna put them in a large bowl here while I continue with the rest. Now we're gonna saute 2 white onions until they become soft and translucent. Like always, season with a bit of salt and black pepper. So like I said before, this is Marco's family's recipe. He's been eating it since he was a kid and he's been making it since like forever. So I guess you can say it runs in his blood. What's your favorite childhood meal? Leave me a comment below. Now that the onions are looking good, add in 4 garlic cloves. Finally, add in 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. I'm gonna pour them inside this bowl together with the spinach. Let's leave the onion to cool a bit before we continue. Okay, so now we're gonna add in 7 ounces of ricotta, 1½ cup of grated parmesan, 3 tablespoons of chopped parsley, ½ cup of walnuts that I chop after, and ½ teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Now let's just mix everything together. So after this, we're gonna put raw eggs. So now's the time to do your final adjusting to the seasoning so that you don't eat raw eggs. Here I have 3 large eggs to help the filling set. And that is our spinach ricotta pie filling. It's that easy, right? I'm gonna bake this in an 8-inch springform pan that I buttered earlier. I'm using puff pastry to get that flaky crust. Spoon in the filling, and now comes the surprise bake. Make 4 holes in the filling because that's where we're gonna put the boiled eggs. Some people use raw eggs, but Marco's family likes it like this, because then you get perfect round eggs. Another sheet of puff pastry on top. Make sure to pinch and crimp both of the puff pastries together. I'm just brushing the top with some egg wash. Prick some holes on top, making sure you don't heat the eggs. Now bake at 375 Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes or until the pie is golden brown. Once baked, rest it for half an hour before removing it from the pan. You can serve this spinach ricotta pie warm or cold. As always, written recipes is on our website elmundoeats.com. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you on the next one.